In this final video, we are going to see the schedule.c file, which we decide the process thread scheduling functions. Let's navigate to it. Open the kernel folder and proc and open that schedule.c file. And there are so many functions in this schedule.c file. Let's go through them one by one. And like now in the while scheduling, we need a queue. So before creating the scheduling functions, we first define a queue, and there are some functions for enqueuing and dequeuing. And what we are seeing is the queue dequeue. What this function does is it dequeues a thread from the queue, and the name itself indicates that it dequeues the thing. And let's go through the other function. And we need a queue, and there are enqueue function is also present, and which we are defined already. And in the next function, we see like remove. It basically the name itself indicates it removes a given thread from a queue, and it takes a parameter like ktq underscore t form and other forms, and it returns nothing. And it is queue init function is for initializing a queue before calling these scheduling functions, and it initializes all the things which are needed for the queue. And next function is queue empty, which does the same name itself, which empties the whole queue. And now let's go through this schedule sleep on function, and it updates the thread state and enqueues it on the given queue. And actually what it does is it doesn't return anything. It returns when the thread has been woken up with wake up underscore on or broadcast underscore on, which we'll tell in the later, which will go through them later. Next, and the next function you're going through is the cancelable sleep on. It's basically sleep on, but it is a cancelable version of it, a cancelable version of the same sleep on. And the logic here is we have to check the kt underscore cancel flag, and if it is present, then we go through it, or otherwise we'll return some error. And as I told before, we'll go through the wake up underscore on function, broadcast underscore on function. What this does is it returns the status of the thread, whether it is woken up or like it is still sleeping in version. Both the broadcast on also does the same thing in a other fashion.